Hey there! Ever wondered how to tap into the growing world of Mastodon? Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of decentralized social media. I'll show you how to create your very own Mastodon API app and connect it to your custom app. Get ready to supercharge your social media game. Before we jump in, let's quickly break down what Mastodon is. Think of it as a collection of mini social networks, each focused on specific interests or topics. The best part? You can interact with anyone on Mastodon, regardless of which server they're on. First things first, create your Mastodon account and set up your profile. Now, here's where the magic happens. We need to create a developer app to get API and secret keys. Navigate to your profile page and click on 3 dots here, then go to Edit Profile. Here, select the Developer tab. Now you can create a new Mastodon app. Click New Application and fill in the details. Enter the application name, redirect the URL, and set permissions. After hitting Submit, you'll get your app credentials. Treat these like your secret sauce. Copy that client key and client secret carefully. You've just unlocked a whole new world of social media possibilities. With your Mastodon API app, you're all set to engage with a diverse, decentralized community. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more social media hacks. Drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.